Iron Mountain is where data lives. And that's built on a reputation of storing data, keeping it safe, secure, highly compliant, and being trusted for over 60 plus years. In today's world, though, it's taking that data and making it accessible. The data center is really the place of commerce and exchange where people's data lives, but also their applications and their business processes live. Inside the Iron Mountain Data Center network, it's about helping our clients have a safe, secure place where they can store and access their data. The growth of the cloud is accelerating the outsourcing of colocation. Where it comes together, though, at the enterprise level is really a combination of enterprise users having connectivity to the cloud environments. They're looking for direct cloud access and availability. What's cool about Iron Mountain is we're able to bring that enterprise user customer into the conversation. So the real estate expertise combined with the history of data management is what brings the whole story together. It's a market that responds well to high touch and helping folks out. We view that as a key differentiator in this business. We know you're on your own digital journey. Other segments of the market have different needs. So if we were to talk about cloud scale companies, that's a different offering, which is around scale, speed, doing the exact same thing everywhere. They're really looking for the most number of network carriers as they expand around the world. Having a physical footprint that's in 54 plus countries, over 1,500 buildings, our ability to convert a piece of real estate very quickly on a small scale and deliver something very fast in that uniform standard is a great differentiator. On top of that, we have the best sustainability story in the industry. We have science-based targets. We have very high commitment to green energy. We were the first data center provider to go 100% green. We worked with the Energy Buyers Alliance to actually create new frameworks for how we can actually pass those green recs on to our customers. We're the first company to ever do this in the world.